everyone. Our subject name is Discrete Mathematics. In it, we will see graphs. A graph G of V, E consists of non-empty set V of vertices, that is nodes, and a set of edges, say E. Each edge has either one or two vertices associated with it, called its endpoints. In this graph G1, V1, V2 are vertices and they are attached by edge E1. A graph is formed by vertices and edges connecting the vertices. Now we will see null graph, that is empty graph. A null graph is a graph in which there are no edges between any of its vertices. In this, V1 is vertex and has no edge, therefore it is called as null graph. Now we will see what is connected graph. A graph in which there is a path of edges between every pair of its vertices. In the graph G2, vertices AB, BD and DC are connected by E1, E2 and E3 edges respectively. In this graph, every pair of vertices has a path present between them. Thus, graph G2 is called as connected graph. Now, we will see what is disconnected graph. A graph in which the path of edges doesn't always connect every vertex. Say, a graph in which there is no path present between every pair of its vertices. Here, in the graph G3, there is no edge between vertices B and C. Therefore, this graph is disconnected. Graph G3 is called as disconnected graph.